Come on, hit it. Yeah. Hit it, 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 hit it. Oh. Whew. Big mullet right there. Bigger mullet there. And an angry miner bird. Ooh, the water's warm. The water's really warm. Okay guys, welcome back to our episode. I haven't been fishing in forever because of uni, work and life, which kind of sucks. I've got an hour before work, so hopefully you can crack something. I'm back at my usual favourite spot to go for Flathead and Narrabeen, so hopefully you can crack one. Far out, the water is warm. I really hope we can crack one today. It's been absolute yonks since I've caught anything. I just went fishing for general matter. Some big mullet just here. I'm starting off with the Nomad Vertrex in the swim. I think it's a 65mm. If this doesn't work for about 10 minutes or so, I'm going to probably switch over to a holt prawn. There's a lot of potties here, which is good because this is what this sort of imitates. A good sized potty. A wounded potty actually. Okay, moving.
Are you making a YouTube video?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube name?
Fletcher's Fishing.
I'll
Yeah.
follow you.
Cheers, man.
Right.
Thank you.
What is it again?
Fletcher's Fishing. Yeah. I got a couple of videos around here and yeah. Give it a crack. If I catch anything, you guys will sure be in the next video.
Yeah.
I reckon your best bet is to try cast as close as you can to that yellow buoy. That'd be better. That was quick. Yeah, I can unhook them. That's a nice flathead. Just slowly let the line out. Just let him recover there for a bit.
I think I subscribed to you.
Thanks, mate.
How many flatties have you caught?
Lost count.
Good.
Yeah.
I casted right near the buoy and I got it.
Glad my advice worked. Nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries, I'll let him go. He'll just chill there for a bit. Perfect. Now I've got a 1/8 jig head on a 2-inch holt prawn. I'm just going a bit heavier on the jig head just because I want to get some distance on it. Also casts a lot nicer with my rod. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, hit it. Yeah. Hit it, 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 hit it. Oh. Alright, let's move the other side. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to swap over to a heavier jig head. Or a vibe, because this ain't doable. I'll give it a crack though. I think I might just go back to a vibe, because it is a bit murky. Grimbo. Yeah, good hook set. That's not a flathead, I don't think. Oh, probably is. It's heavy, whatever it is. Let's listen off that drag. I don't know what it is. Oh, that's a good fish. That is a good fish. I don't know if it's a flathead or not though. If it is, it's heavy. Okay, I don't think it would anything else. Yeah, it's gotta be a flathead. It can't be anything else, and a sizable one too. The way it hit it, and I haven't even seen it yet either. Ooh! Oh! Holy sh! Holy sh! He's big! He's big! Oh my god, he's a big boy or girl, more likely a girl. Holy sh! He might be the biggest one I've caught a Narrabeen. On the holt prawn. Oh, he hit it so well. Don't shake it, don't shake it, yep. I wasn't too sure if it was a flathead because of the way it took it. It took it quite up high in the column, but just the weight of it, you couldn't really think it'd be anything else. Let's grab him. He's not gonna like me getting so lucky I pinned him so perfectly. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Yes. Oh, and the hook just shook. The hook just came off. The hook. Oh my god. He came off. You guys all saw him. Didn't get a measure on him. That was cool. Now, I don't know what to say, because that flathead was probably anywhere between 55 and 65. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But that's the first fish I have hooked in about 2 months, and it feels amazing. Let's try to get another one. You know, I should have just sucked it up like a big boy and just gripped him with my thumb. These pliers, they're good and all, but it just, like that, they just shake their heads once. The line's not even one bit frayed. Okay, I'm not changing the whole prawn now.
20 minutes later.
And that's a wrap.